Nothing. Okay, hello. That's my face that you can't even see because it's too dark. We have Deku here, but you can't see. Woo! We have Bakugo driving. Vroom vroom and all that shit. Vroom! Vroom!
Was that High School Musical I saw on your music selection there, Bakugo?
No, they're angst.
They're all angst.
Oh my god. Are you dissing Blackville Brides?
Yes.
No, I used to listen to them. I actually seen them in concert.
Retweet us!
Oof.
The Pokemon theme!
Pokemon theme!
Yes!
It's Nightcode though.
That's fine. Yes.
Yes. The very best that no one ever
Deku, that was!
Catch them is my real test. Train them is my god.
I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. Even to understand the power that's inside. It's me. I know it's my destiny.
My friend, like my college people got a video of us singing to the stroke. Oh no. But it went from this into Sailor Moon?
Yes.
Yeah. That's really good shot to my eyeballs.
Wow. Zoom! Must defend Pokemon. Also true.
You know, Katchan, just because I'm in the car doesn't mean you can try to kill us.
You shouldn't have given him ideas.
No.
What are you doing?
You wanna go? Yeah. That way.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, left.
That way.
No, straight.
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 You wanna go around
Something that you're not Katchan.
No, that way.
Yeah, so that's left.
Okay.
No one heard that.
I heard that.
Oh, thank you.
Left.
Yeah.
Which is right.
Okay. Directions.
Technically, that's right.
Okay.
Technically that's wrong.
All these people.
I wonder where they're going.
Oh, no, I'm just in the middle of the road.
Oh, fantastic.
From Voltron. We did not supposed to. That's fine. Darkness. Ah! Boom. I'm here, bro.
Hello.
Fireworks. Deku. I wasn't videoing. Do it again.
That's twice. You've done that.
Do the explosives. Now we can do this. Oh my god, your eyes look red, it's fine. What did I do?
You're an idiot and you forgot to press record.
No, that I meant when I saved you. Oh, you got a spider in my hand. Because I'm a manly man. I saw that. Yes. Wow, it's really blinding. I see the problem now.
Yeah. No, you can't because it's blinding. You can't see the problem.
Behind the tree. Great fireworks display. Having a good time. Hello! Hello!
Mr. Obama? Mr. Obama?
Oh, video shit. I was like, I'm gonna take a selfie. Boom! Whoa.
Those ones are my favorite.
Yeah, but then they're in a driver.
His explosions went off. Oh. In the bedroom. In the
bedroom.
Lit the pillow on fire.
Are you live?
No, I'm just recording.
Hey.
Might as well get some content.
It's really slowly trying to attack on Titan.
It's Aaron in slow motion. Titan!
Why do you have fire?
Did you steal my quirk?
Bro.
Bro.
Oh no.
Bro.
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 To be fair, it
But
does
look at the
spark
pillow.
at
How
the
cute is the
beginning.
pillow?
It is a cute pillow.
I send Bakugo pictures of me with that pillow in your
You
work.
do actually, yeah. I'm at work and I go on my break and then I'm like, oh, Riza has messaged me because you know my phone is Riza. And I'm like, why is she with Bakugo?
Who misses you?
You're there.
I look like a sleepy boy.
Everyone but you is there.
You're
I know. I cry. They don't do carry pillows.
Yeah, they do. They're 15 quid.
Yeah, but they're like this big and they were kind of.
Oh my god, is it Attack on Titan?
It's Attack on Titaning.
It's tacking and tightening.
Tacking and tightening.
Oh my god. Someone's eye. Aaron's eyeball.
Aaron's eyeball. Oh.
On that day.
That's faithful.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow!
Oh no, Bert, no!
It's a hand. Do you need a hand?
Sorry.
But I knew anyway.
Okay. It's because I just think of Jamie whenever I see it. I'm just like,
Noodle boy, is that
but I don't call him Jamie. I call him Bert. So
you? I call him Noodle boy. Is
You
he
call
gonna
him
start
Noodle Boy.
it?
Aaron, are you okay?
Erin, are you okay?
Wait, I have
Are you okay, Aaron? I had grey contacts for Levi, but I can't wear coloured contacts.
I can use my normal eyes for Armin because my eyes are blue.
Same!
Well, when I'm Jean, it's fine. When we do Levi and Cass, we've got their own coloured eyes, but we can't do Levi and Cass anymore because that's a bit weird. Babe! Sorry.
I haven't watched the dub.
Have you?
I don't
Oh
watch.
no, this is the English, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh.
Like,
Oh.
oh no.
Oh.